You guys were so eager to learn about grading, that's why today we will start with its basic and later we will discuss more in detail about it. Before starting, let me remind you all to stay hydrated because it's summer season. Hello guys, welcome back to a direction. Myself Muskan and here on this channel we teach you about 3D design software and many things related to fashion which can be helpful for you in future. By the way, I made this scrunchie myself, so if you want to purchase them you can contact me through Instagram as well. So now let's start the class. Some of you might be thinking where this grading come from, but this is not the grading that you might be thinking about that we got in school like A grade and B grade. Grading is a broad term, so this is used at different places for different meaning. Grading means to group something according to something common. Like if things are arranged according to height, then it's called height grading. Or if it's graded according to its size, then it is size grading. Like who is the tallest and who is the shortest. And even the quality grading is also one kind of grading. And when the farm is being harvested, it is also a part of grading. But here, grading is to create different sizes of same product. Like if you have created a garment or designed it for yourself and you want to create one smaller size or bigger size of the same design, then you need to learn what grading is. Grading will make your work easy. You don't have to repeat the same steps again and again to create different sizes. All you need to do is to learn grading, and from there you can easily upgrade or degrade from a single pattern. In this software we can do grading by two methods. One is manual grading and another one is auto grading. You can change one size to another easily without any hassle. Today we will learn about auto grading. It's really simple method, so I will keep the video short for you. From here I am going to open one file. This one of the male kurta, which is going to be converted into a kid size. Let me increase the size of my 2D window so that you can see the grading icon. Here we have two icons related to grading. One is grading and another is auto grading, which we are going to learn. So now we have to adjust our 2D window so that our tool remain visible, and so is our 3D window. Now we will delete our adult avatar and will import a kid avatar from our library. I am going to import one of our male kid. Here, as you can see, our garment is too big for this kit, but our new tool will help us to resize the garment according to this kit. Here, first edit option is to maintain pattern curve. Higher the value, less effective the curve of pattern will be. After this, our next option is maintain graphic size. If you will tick on this, your graphic will maintain its size according to your adult size, which means it won't get shorter while the size is reduced. So if you want to reduce the size of your graphic, then remove this tick. And here one thing is also mentioned at the bottom, that the particle distance of all pattern piece should be 20. So our pattern pieces are already 20. Now we will try to grade it. After pressing OK, you don't have to do anything. All the work will be of your software. All you have to do is to relax and have a sip of your coffee or tea, whatever you like. But this is also true that you can't create your size variation by using auto grading only. That's why we have to learn about manual gradings too. So we will learn about that part as well, but in our next class. So you can see the baseline of our old garment and new garment inside it as well. Let's simulate this garment to see the look over the kit. Seems like these seams are little disturbed. So we will correct it by adjusting it in 3D window. Let me restitch it since it's not being corrected till now. After doing this, our garments look totally fine and the size is perfect for this kit as well. It's so simple to do auto grading, so now you can easily degrade or upgrade your pattern piece by the help of this tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are as passionate about fashion as I am, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the unique and exciting classes coming your way. I can't wait to share my experience with you and inspire you to express yourself through fashion. See you in the next video. Bye.